The Baby Mouse Story. Once upon a time, there was a baby mouse and Mother Mouse. They lived in a hole in the skirting board in a big warm house with lots of cheese to eat. Then one day, Mother Mouse decided to take Baby Mouse outside of their home. Waiting outside for them was a huge ginger tomcat, licking its lips and waiting to eat them both. "Mother, Mother, what should we do now?" cried Baby Mouse, clinging to his mother's tail. Mother Mouse paused, staring up into the beaming eyes of the hungry cat. But she wasn't scared because she knew exactly how to deal with big scary cat. She opened her mouth and took in a deep breath. "Woof! Woof!" she shouted, and the cat ran away as fast as he could. "Wow, Mother, that was amazing!" Baby Mouse said to his mother, smiling happily. And that, my child, is why it is always best to have a second language. Moral: it's always good to have a second language.